Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is December 17th. Well, there's not a lot of positive news out there today. So, question is, can we see some kind of a turnaround today? The attitude is very negative this morning. We'll start with export sales. Corn expected 750 to 950 came out at 579. So below expectations for corn. Beans, 900,000 to 1.3 million metric tons came out at 887, below expectations there as well. And wheat coming in neutral. They wanted 250 to 450, got 320,000. So within expectations for wheat. But bigger story. Yes, we had the Fed raise the rates yesterday, and the dollar this morning very strong, putting pressure on most commodities today. But the bigger story is Argentina. They made the announcement yesterday that they're going to go ahead and continue to devalue their currency. By doing that, that's bearish to our markets. They're devaluing their currency to continue to keep strong exports for them. Now, this morning, that's helping put pressure on the grain markets. Corn down 2 cents, beans down 6.5. Wheat pulling back some, down 4 3/4 cents. So the Argentine peso opened up about 29.8% lower this morning. That puts their currency 14 per every U.S. dollar. So that they were expecting it to get somewhere close to 14 to 14.50 per U.S. dollar. But right now they don't have any limit on their devaluation as of yet. So we'll see what kind of action is taken, but looking at it this morning, certainly negative for grains, and you have that feeling today across the board. And we'll see where things are at, where we go. We're near some good support levels for the grains, but can we hold those? Are we going to see some kind of a turnaround? And if so, for what reasons? I mean, there aren't a lot out there, but we're starting off a little negative this morning. Cattle opened up about $1 lower. Box beef lower again. Choice down 31. Select down 190. We have cash still trading right around that 117, 118 level. But with cattle, we still are holding last week's lows. We've not made any new lows yet. Even with all the negative news that's been thrown at the cattle market, still holding support levels. So we'll see if that can continue. Hogs, starting off a little lower this morning. Cutout values dropping $1.98. We've got an uptrend that's been in place for the hogs. We've just taken it out today, so watch the close if we end up closing lower. But a stronger close for hogs could signal a run, maybe $2 to $3 higher yet. As I mentioned, the dollar. Everyone's watching that. Up $1.07 this morning, back above 99 for the U.S. dollar. Crude oil just a few moments ago actually had started going higher. So crude is actually higher for the day now. You got the stock market up 52 points, but we need to get some fire underneath these grain markets to get that going and finding some buying going into the end of the year. What may end up happening could be some short covering from funds. Funds have been short and increased their short positions, but how do they want to sit at the end of the year? Can they come out of some of those positions and give a little bit of hope for the grain markets? But as of right now, we've got some negative news to sift through first. So give us a call if you have any questions, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.